Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Oktaviano Sitepu's group, and our venture is SalsParking. And today we're gonna presentations about milestone 4. Me is Andre as the member, and my friend is Fauzan Haris as the CEO, and the last one is Salsabila as the member too. Next. The general instruction. Next. This is our introduction, is company name. Oktaviano Sitepu, and the team member Fauzan Haris as CEO, me as Andre, and Salsa as the member. And this is our company logo.
Now I'm gonna talk about the problem or the opportunity. We used the 20 responders. We used Google Form as the media for our interview to the responders, and this is the result of our group interview via Google Form.
This is customer value proposition canvas. Next.
The next one is the solution. There's 3 solutions. The first one is, how are you solving the problem? The problem we identified as a viable solution was because it helped customers to find parking spaces at the Istiqlal Mosque easier. The second solution of how is the customer addressing the problem today? This application uses locking mechanism. Is but optimistic lock where the provider will lock the record only if the update method is called. This system was developed using the Visual Basic Program Language version 6.0. The database used is SQL Server 2000. For report generation, data is used reports from the data environment. The last solution of how will your solution make the customer's life better? We make it easy for most queues visitors to get park slot as soon as possible, especially if the mosque is in a busy time. Next.
So this is our business model, Lean Canvas template. You can read by yourself. Next.
This is competition analysis. List the product benefit offered by your competitor, more simple and always available. List 2 or more product benefit that you can offer that will complement customer to switch offer from the existing solution, easy to access and cheap. Next.
This is the prototype or the product. In the left one, this is our prototype product, and we used Canva app to design and modification the prototype. And the bottom one, this is our interview with our 10 or above, like 20 customers. Next.
So this is our financial. Include the following insert from the basic financial plan that you create for your venture here. First thing first is product cost is 27 million rupiah. Second one is product price is 39,000 rupiah per hour. The third is number of units sold. We have 50 parking space. The third is revenue is we have 17,550,000 rupiah. And the profit is minus 1,349,450,000 rupiah. And break even is minus 5.741 rupiah. And the last one is payback period in months is minus 0.02 rupiah. So the second point is also add here your funding source and the funding amount that you have received. If any from VIP and from the customer is like 60,000 per hour. And the last one is end your basic financial plan here for ready reference, sponsor and endorse. Next.
This is marketing and sales. Present your brand. Present your positioning statement. Fauzan, CEO, responsible for developing the business and determining its profitability. Andre and Salsa, this is member responsible for designing logos or other things related to the design. List the channel that you have selected to promote your VV promotion on social media. Present your sales plan and sales speed from a mobile application-based business in booking, parking slot, promotion on social media, and holding discount and bonus. List the number of sales you have made for your product or service, ideally 10 units or more, 405 units per month. Provide evidence of the sale. This is picture. Next.
The next one is the team commitment. Uh, the first point is list the skill sets and responsibilities of each venture team member. First, me as the CEO is responsible for all areas of the company business. Uh, my expertise is able to communicate with the public, and as a CEO, must be able to coordinate and move my subordinates towards achieving the goal that have been set by our company.
And the second is me as Andre. I'm like a member. We have a skill to work with a team, able to communicate well in a team, able to create creative and innovative.
Salsa is member have creativity, originality, and initiative, able to make design, able to analysis in product development. Next.
Second point is discuss how your skill sets are complementary to each other and help in running the venture. As the CEO, having creative thought and new ideas can make our business grow in the long term because innovation can make a company more progressive and must be able to work in a team or to collaborate to become must be able to work in a team and to become a CEO. Uh, you will not work independently. Sometimes you will work together with other business owners. Uh, and with that, we'll produce the best information and ideas to advance the company because with collaborating can also create the high creativity.
And the second is me, Andre, as the member who have one of the consistent responsibility will carry out all activities consistently. Every job is done well without any delay because they know how to manage time, and having trust will also encourage member to be more trustworthy, especially if the work is done intermittently. If you want corporation to be more compact and this is because trust can be built through the effort and results that have been done by a team. Member will be more comfortable corporate with member who have this ability because the results are in line with expectation. Next, Salsa.
Salsa is member with high accuracy, therefore is very important because it involves the test assessment. In addition, the attitude of responsibility will make members think about the risk and benefit of what they do. This calculation will certainly have a positive impact on the company because the work is carried out more optimal. This benefit make this ability must have for team members in the world of work and have the responsibility to drive success. VCF will encourage members to achieve success not only individually. The goal of the company can also be achieved because the targets are pursued seriously and not carelessly. Next.
The last point is discuss how many of your team member are ready to take this venture forward. Me personally, as the CEO, want to continue this venture because with my group now, we already know how this venture will go on, at least from the tasks we had done before in this class. Even though I want to continue this venture, I'm still uncertain that my effort will be enough in the future to exceed our competitor. But I need to try, right? Even if I fail, I can try again or even begin the other kind of venture. And I think that's all from me.
Okay, I think that's it from us, from our group. Thanks for your attention to our presentations. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in another time. Bye.